Have you ever wondered how to do a push-up properly? Well, stick around to find out next. Hi guys, Ethan from Shock Factor Fitness and welcome back. Today we're going to go through how to do a push-up in 4 simple steps to make sure you're getting the most out of that exercise.
Okay guys, so step 1. Firstly, you need to place your hands a shoulder's width apart on the floor with your chest positioned over your hands and position yourself on the balls of your feet. Step 2, you need to make sure that you keep a long, straight body with a proud chest, whilst also keeping your chin tucked in towards your chest. Step 3, as you slowly lower your body towards the floor, draw your elbows into your sides and make sure that you stop with your chest just above the floor. Lastly, step 4, as you return yourself to the top of your push-up position, make sure to maintain control and posture of the exercise to ensure that you're pushing through the correct muscles, which are your chest and your triceps. And guys, if you're not able to do push-ups on your toes yet, do them on your knees. Practice, take the time, follow these 4 steps, and you'll be there before you know it.
There you have it guys, 4 simple steps on how to do a push-up correctly. You're not going to injure yourself and you're going to get the most out of that exercise. Very common exercise, everybody does push-ups. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below if there's anything new that you'd like to see going forwards. And today's question is, what exercise do you want us to explain how to do next? All the best guys and see you next time. Thanks for watching Shock Factor Fitness.